Whammer just messed up another job.
Have you just messed up another job?
Wham?
Are you tired of being a sidekick? Someone else's assistant?
Yeah?
Do you want to be your own boss? Take your career to the next level?
Yeah, Wham the next level.
Well, what are you waiting for?
I don't know.
Come see the coach!
I will.
Right now!
Okay.
Watch it, steak face!
That's prime rib, baby.
Well, Lady Redundant Woman, the only couch you'll be sitting on will be behind bars.
I laugh at your threat. And I chortle, too. And I chuckle as well.
That's sneaky.
Well, that was embarrassing. For you.
Huggy, show them what they could have won. A state-of-the-art official Wordgirl six-wheeler motorcycle! Ooh. But no one won.
Oh, incoming call. Saved by the bell. Chuck the evil sandwich-making guy?
Hey, Wordgirl. I was just sitting around and I thought I'd see if you guys wanted to come out and, I don't know, have a little superhero, evil villain thing?
I guess, sure. Let me just grab Captain Huggy Face.
Okay, meet you at the park. Bye.
Help! The Ming family is running away with this year's car wash. I think the Botsfords might be done for.
I don't remember inviting him.
Sometimes we need a little help getting to the next scene.
Oh, all right then.
Whoop. You know what that means.
Not really.
It's pickle time!
Wow, we're really in a pickle. Sorry, I couldn't resist.
Yes, you could have.
Yeah.
What? What's wrong?
Nothing. Nothing. Why would anything be wrong?
No reason. You just sound a little sad.
I'm not sad. I have the evil lair of my dreams.
Okay.
So what if it's hard moving into a new place? I'll get used to it.
Right.
And so what if I'm having a little trouble figuring out where everything is, and my mom's not here to tuck me in at night?
Mom tuck-ins are the best.
I know, they are. It's just that this has been a bigger adjustment than I expected. And well...
Chuck, you sound a little homesick.
What? Homesick? For that dark basement?
Well, I was just saying.
And my pesky mother always nosing into my business?
I don't really know your mother.
And her delicious hot sandwiches, the special one she made whenever I was feeling down.
Yeah,
And the way she kissed my boo-boos when I fell off my exercise bike. I want to go home. This was a huge mistake. How could I leave my mommy? How could I leave my mommy?
Chuck,